Hello students, I am Prabha Rao, selection grade lecturer from Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Government Polytechnic for Women, Bengaluru. This is the first session on programming with C. Let us start with Unit 1, Introduction to C language. C is a structured, high-level, machine-independent language. It allows software developers to develop programs without worrying about the hardware platforms where they will be implemented. The root of all modern languages is ALGOL. ALGOL stands for Algorithmic Language. In 1967, Martin Richards developed language called BCPL. BCPL stands for Basic Combined Programming Language. In 1970, Ken Thompson created a language using many features of BCPL and called it B language. Then, in 1972, Dennis Ritchie developed C language. Later, C language evolved into ANSI C. Now, let us see the features of C language. C is the widely used language. It provides many features like simple, machine independent or portable, structured programming language, rich library, memory management, fast speed, provides facility of pointers, recursion, extensibility. C is a simple language in the sense that it provides a structured approach. It has a rich set of library functions, data types, etc. C is machine independent or portable. C programs can be executed on different machines with some machine specific changes. Therefore, C is a machine independent language. Structured programming language. C is a structured programming language in the sense that we can break the program into parts using functions. So it is easy to understand and modify. C functions also provide code reusability. Rich library. C provides a lot of built-in functions that make the development easy. Memory management. It supports the features of dynamic library application. In C language, we can free the allocated memory at any time by calling the free function. Next feature is its fast speed. The compilation and execution time of C language is fast since there are less number of inbuilt functions and hence has lesser overhead. Next feature, it supports pointers. C provides the features of pointers. We can directly interact with the memory by using the pointers. We can use pointers for memory, structures, functions, arrays, etc. We will learn about pointers in detail in later sessions. Next feature of C language is it supports recursion. In C, we can call the function within the function. It provides code reusability for every function. Recursion enables us to use the approach of backtracking. Next feature, C language is extensible because it can easily adopt new features. Now, let us see or discuss the importance of C language. C language is a robust language using which any complex program can be designed. Programs written in C are efficient and fast. C programs are faster in execution than any other languages like BASIC. C supports less number of keywords. C is highly portable. Programs written in one machine can run on other machines. It is well suited for structured programming. C language can be extended by adding new functions to C library. Now, we'll discuss about the character set. Like natural languages, computer language will also have well-defined character set which is useful to build the programs. The characters that can be used to form words, numbers and expressions depend upon the computer on which the program is run. The characters available in C are letters, digits, special characters and white space. The various types of characters are uppercase alphabets. The character set is we can use uppercase A, B, uppercase C and so on till uppercase Z. Next, lowercase alphabets, small a, small b, small c till small z. We can use digits 0, 1, 2, 3 like that till 9. We can use special symbols like tilde, percentage sign, vertical bar, at symbol, plus, greater than, underscore, minus, greater than, caret, hash, equal to, and symbol, that is called ampersand, dollar sign, slash, left parenthesis, asterisk, backslash, right parenthesis, apostrophe, colon, left bracket, quotation mark, semicolon, right bracket, exclamatory mark, comma, left flower brace, question mark, dot operator, right flower brace. Then we can use white spaces like single space, tab, new line, etc. Now, let us discuss about variables. A variable is nothing but a name given to a storage area that our programs can manipulate. Each variable in C has a specific type which determines the size and layout of the variable's memory. The range of values that can be stored within that memory and the set of operations that can be applied to the variable. The different variable types in C are character variable type, int variable type, float variable type, double, and void. How to declare a variable in C? The syntax is type followed by variable list. Type must be a valid C data type like int, float, character, double, or any other user-defined object. Some examples: int I, j, k semicolon. Here I, j and k are variables of type int. Char c, ch. Here c and ch are variables of type char. F, salary, float f, salary. F and salary are variables of type float. Double D, D is a variable of type double. Now let us look into identifiers. Identifiers refer to the name given to entities such as variables, functions, arrays, structures, etc. These are user-defined names and consist of a sequence of letters, digits, with letter as a first character. Identifiers can be written in lowercase or uppercase letters. Some examples: float f, salary, int I, j semicolon. Here f, salary, I and j are identifiers. Let us move on to the next topic, tokens now. Token is the smallest element of a program. The smallest individual words or units in C are called tokens. In C, tokens can be classified into 6 types. They are keywords, identifiers, constants, strings, special symbols, and operators. We will look into the first type of token, that is keywords. ANSI C consists of 32 basic keywords which have special meaning, and these meaning cannot be changed, and keywords are also called reserved words. We can see the list here. If, else, switch, case, default keywords are used for decision control programming structure. Break keyword is used with any loop or switch case. Keywords int, float, char, double, long are the data types and used during variable declaration. Keywords for, while, do are loop structures in C. Void is one of the return type. Keyword goto is used for redirecting the flow of execution. Auto, signed, const, extern, register, unsigned defines a variable. The keyword return is used for returning a value. Next type of tokens is identifiers. Identifiers refer to the name given to entities such as variables, functions, arrays, structures, etc. There are some rules to declare identifiers. The first character of an identifier must always be an alphabet or an underscore. An identifier must consist of only letters, digits, or underscore. Only first 31 characters in an identifier are significant. Keywords cannot be used as an identifier. Identifier must not contain white space. And in an identifier, there should not be any successive underscore. Now let us take examples of some valid identifiers. ABC. ABC is a valid identifier because ABC is starting with letter small a, which is valid. It is not containing any special character. It's not containing any white space. So it is an example of valid identifier. Underscore ABC is also an valid identifier because an identifier can start with an underscore. AB123 is also a valid identifier because it is consisting of letters and digits, and the identifier name is starting with a letter which is valid. One more example, let us take 123 AB. This is an invalid identifier because an identifier cannot start with a digit. One more example, A underscore underscore BC underscore underscore D. This is an example of invalid identifier because we are having successive underscores, underscore underscore, which is invalid. We cannot use successive underscores. Next type of token are constants. Constants refer to fixed values that the program may not alter during its execution. So the value of constant will not change during its execution. These fixed values are also called literals. Constants can be of any basic data types like an integer constant, a float constant, a character constant, or a string literal. There are enumeration constants as well. Next type of token are strings. A string is a string is a sequence of characters terminated with a null character. Other types of tokens are special symbols and operators. We have studied about special symbols and operators just now. We'll be studying about operators in detail, precedence of operators in the coming sessions. Now, let us go through some of the multiple choice questions which are frequently asked. First multiple choice question. Who developed C language? The options are Ken Thompson, Martin Richards, C. James Gosling, D. Dennis Ritchie. The correct answer is Dennis Ritchie. Option D. Second MCQ question. C was primarily developed as A. System programming language, B. General purpose language, C. Data processing language, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option A. System programming language. Third question. C is highly portable is the answer. There are two options, A true, B false. The correct answer is option A true. Next question. What is the full form of ANSI? American National Standards Institute, B. American National Social Institute, C. American Native Standards Institute, D. American National Standards Instructions. The correct answer is option A. American National Standards Institute. Next question. C has 32 reserved A functions, B variables, C tokens, D keywords. We studied about this just now. C has 32 reserved keywords. So the correct answer is option D. Next question. What are ampersand, hash, tilde, exclamatory mark called in C character set? A digits, B special characters, C letters, D random characters. The right answer is special characters, option B. Next question. Programs written in C are dash and dash in execution. Option A, efficient and slow. B, optimized and slow. C, efficient and fast. D, inefficient and fast. The correct answer is option C, efficient and fast. Programs written in C are efficient and fast in execution. Next question. C does not support pointers. True or false? The correct answer is false, because C supports pointers. It is one of the important features of C language. Next question. C character set consists of white spaces. True or false? Answer A. The right answer is option A, true. Next question. C language is an improved version of which language? A. BCPL, B. B language, C. COBOL, D. Pascal. The right answer is option B. C language is an improved version of B language. So in today's session, we discussed about history of C, features of C language, importance of C, character set in C, variables, identifiers, and tokens. Thank you.